Good morning. All right, so my new hiking boots have just arrived and it's time to show you what I got. And so the four key areas I was looking at with these boots were had to be very comfortable, so good arch support and lightweight for longer hikes. Second area was breathability. It wanted something with venting on it instead of the waterproof angle. Third, good ankle support. So if you're hiking over loose material, you have better traction and better stability under you. And then finally, just basically a good looking boot, something that you can wear around town and not just on the trails. I got to researching boots and I came across one particular pair, came very highly recommended on Amazon, had over 1,900 reviews and averaged a 4.6 out of 5 stars. With all those factors in mind, I ultimately settled on the Merrell Moab 2 mid-height vented boot. And yeah, real excited to get these open. And I went with the black night color. They had a few different color options out there. And before I even open these, I just want to say I love the packaging design. I definitely love that topographic map look and just good colors. Here we go. Ta-da! All right, here we go. So yeah, these look awesome up close. So you can see some of the key features in action right here. Definitely a lot of venting, whether it's on the tongue of the shoe or just on the toes. So I definitely like that for the uppers. The height looks nice on these. Like that'll actually go up pretty high, give you much better stability. One thing I'm noticing too, I like these look to be pretty sturdy up in the toe area. Obviously you're gonna hit a lot of rocks with your toes as you're hiking. So extra heavy duty on the fronts, those should hold up pretty well. And you can even see where the sole meets the shoe, it's pretty heavy duty. But what I really like to see, look at the traction with these Vibram soles. That's gonna give you a pretty good range of traction in all sorts of material and uphill and downhill descents. Yeah, all in all, these are looking really good. Okay, so we have got them on. The heels feel very comfortable. The arch support feels good. Good amount of toe room too. So yeah, these are feeling nice. Very lightweight. These are definitely going to be great for long hikes, whether they're 14ers or just backpacking. So yeah, I'm excited to see what these can do. Next up is the field test.